Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to transfer emails from one Gmail account to another. This is incredibly useful when you're consolidating accounts or switching to a new email for work or personal use, and you want all your old messages in one place. First, open your web browser and head over to Gmail by typing mail.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, sign in to your new Gmail account. This is the account you want to transfer all your emails into. Make sure you're logged into the right one, as this will be the destination for all your old messages. Next, look toward the top right corner of your screen and click on the settings icon, which looks like a small gear. When the menu drops down, select See All Settings to access the full configuration options. This opens up all the tools you need to manage your account and set up the import process. Now, navigate to the Accounts and Import tab at the top of the settings page. This is where Gmail lets you pull in emails and contacts from other accounts. Under the section labeled Import Mail and Contacts, click on Import Mail and Contacts. This feature is specifically designed to help you migrate content from another Gmail or email account directly into your current one. A pop-up window will appear asking for the email address you want to import from. Enter your old Gmail email address, the one you're transferring emails from, and click Continue. Gmail will then prompt you to sign into that old account and grant permission for the import to happen. Go ahead and follow the prompts to authorize access. Once you're signed in, you'll see a checkbox labeled Import Mail. Make sure this is selected, then click Start Import. Gmail will now begin transferring your emails. Depending on how many messages you have, this process can take several hours or even longer, so be patient and let it run in the background. If you also want to keep receiving new emails from your old account going forward, head back into that old Gmail account. Click Settings, then go to Forwarding and POP IMAP. Here, add your new Gmail address as a forwarding address. Gmail will send a verification code to your new account. Confirm it, then enable forwarding for all new incoming emails. This ensures nothing slips through the cracks while you're transitioning, and that's it. Your emails are now being transferred, and any future messages can be automatically forwarded as well. Thanks for watching.